Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, Jabra charged and your phone unlocked. First, go to Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on so the phone can search. Then, press and hold the Jabra multifunction button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This puts the earbuds into pairing mode. Once the LED blinks, the headset is discoverable. Now leave the Bluetooth screen visible. Your device needs to find the Jabra name in the next step. Once your phone lists available devices, locate and tap the entry labeled Jabra Elite. When you tap it, the phone and earbuds exchange a handshake. Accept any pairing prompts that appear. If the phone asks for a passcode, enter 0000. Most Jabra models use that. After you confirm, the connection completes and the status changes to connected. Make sure to allow permissions for calls and media so audio routes correctly. If you plan to use Voice Assistant, enable that option now. After pairing, set the Jabra as your default device for calls and media in settings. This ensures both music and phone audio use the earbuds. Next, install the Jabra Sound Plus app to update firmware and customize controls. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. If you experience issues, try a quick reset. Power off, then hold the buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, restart pairing, and reconnect. If problems persist, toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and on before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.